Walter, it's Coco. I love you so much. Happy birthday. This is the best birthday party I've ever been to personally. I love you. More life, more blessings.
Yep, you know who it is. It's Jennifer Cash. Happy birthday. Happy big 40th birthday.
Yo, what up? This is Cash. Just saying happy birthday, and you already know I was the flyest out of the bunch.
All right, happy birthday, Walter, from David and Ronise. Many, many more, and enjoy your night.
What's up, my boy? Happy birthday, much love.
Hey, Walt, this is Gary, man. Happy birthday, bro. Much love.
Hi, it's Ariana. I just wanted to say happy birthday. This is so cute. Thank you for everything you've done for me, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.
Happy birthday, Walter. This is Deidre. I hope you had a wonderful day. This birthday party was lit, and God bless you. Bye.
Hi, Walter and Jackie. This is your party planner, Sparkle with Pink Bliss Events. Wishing you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Walter, and many, many more from Pooh Bear. This party is lit.
Happy birthday, nigga. I'm looking at you right now, and it's all right, looking like you drunk as fuck. But happy birthday, bro. Appreciate everything you do for my cousin. Happy birthday.
What's up with you, bro? This cousin Sean from LA. You know what I'm saying? Me and wifey came. She won the best dress contest. We just want to wish you happy 40th, bro. You know what I'm saying? Turn up. Don't never stop. You know what I'm saying? Keep living. Live it up. You and my cousin Jackie. Do y'all thing. Y'all look good together, bro. Real talk. Happy birthday, bro. Peace out.
Hey, hey, what up, big dog? You already know who it is. Your boy AB. Hey, man, the party is amazing. I ain't gonna lie though, big dog. I'm gonna have to grow into that first outfit you came out with, that all black. Sheesh.
Yo, yo, yo. Hey, Walt. Just want to wish you a happy, happy birthday. I appreciate you guys. You're a great person. Me and Gabby love you both. Relationship goals. I hope you enjoyed your birthday. Even though Scorpios are assholes, much love, and you deserve every bit of this. Happy, happy birthday from me and Gabby.
Hi, Walter. This is Ronise. I wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday from the Hill family and from my honey David. We wish you many, many more to come. Love you guys.
Happy birthday, Walter, from Miss Graham. This is Deborah. Enjoy your day. Happy 40th.
Hey, what up, Walt? Happy birthday from Mel and Dave. Appreciate you, brother. Great man. So happy to be able to celebrate with you. Happy 40th. Many, many more. We love you, man. Peace.
Wait, Dave tried to forget me. We hope you are blessed. We know you are blessed. Just wishing you the best in this year that you're headed into. Happy 40th to many more celebrating with you.
Hey, Walter. Feliz cumpleaños. Woo! Happy birthday, Walter, from Michelle and my family.
My guy, happy birthday, brother. I love you. Let's get together more often, man. Hopefully sooner than later. Your boy, Andy. Love you, man. Happy birthday.
Hey, yo, just want to send a massive shout out to Walter and Jackie. This is David from Canary Capital Rentals. I had a blast at your party, and the love was in the air. The drinks was pouring. It was a beautiful thing. Thank you so much, guys, for having me over. Stay blessed. Peace out.